Your spark didn't disappear. Your structure did. Most people think they lose their spark in midlife because they are getting older, or because life got too busy, or because they are not motivated anymore. But here's the truth: you didn't lose your spark. You didn't. You lost the structure that helped you stay connected to it. The structure. Your energy didn't leave you. Your life rhythm did, like left you. There comes a moment in midlife where your old structure dissolves. The external scaffolding that used to hold your day together suddenly disappears. Your kids grow up, your routines shift, your roles change. Your anchor points fall away. Your calendar empties or becomes unpredictable. Your identity stretches, and suddenly you're left without the structure that once kept you grounded. This is not a loss of spark, it's a loss of support. Let me know in the comments if it's you. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. Maybe you wake up and your mornings feel blurry. There is no rhythm, no anchor, no predictable flow. Or you find yourself drifting through the day, drifting literally. Busy but not productive, moving but not progressing, occupied but not fulfilled. Or you end the day feeling tired but not accomplished, drained but not moved forward, engaged but not connected. These moments are not about motivation. They are about structure, literally structure, simply. You can't feel consistent without something to be consistent with. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Here is the thing. Your spark didn't fade. Your environment did. You didn't lose passion. You lost the built-in structure that once supported your spark, your energy, supported your clarity, your drive even. Midlife doesn't take your spark. It removes the structure you never realized was holding everything together. When structure disappears, momentum disappears. Momentum will disappear with the structure. You can check the self-audit in the description. Momentum. Like Midlife Momentum audit. Once a client of mine told me, Salma, I thought I was becoming lazy, but now I see I just didn't have anything holding my days in place. Because she wasn't lazy, she wasn't inconsistent, she wasn't broken for sure. Her structure had collapsed, and no one teaches us how to rebuild it in midlife. I asked her a simple question. I'm asking you too. So answer it please in the comments. What structure does the current version of you, not the old version, not the busy version, not the survival version, the version she is now? Her spark came back the moment she rebuilt a simple structure around who she was becoming. Let me know which answer in the comments. I don't know. I will give you three actionable steps to start rebuilding structure with what it feels to regain the spark. One, create one anchor point in your day, not a full routine, just one predictable moment that belongs to you. A walk, a pause, a reflection, a reset. Your brain needs a place to land. One, only one. Let me know in the comments. Two, choose one thing worth repeating. One thing. Your old structure was built on repetition. Pick one thing you will do every day for just 7 days. 7 days. Something simple that reminds you who you are becoming. Three, remove one source of daily chaos. Not everything, one thing. Just one thing that keeps your day unpredictable. A draining habit, a constant distraction, a commitment that no longer fits. Removing chaos brings back clarity also. I'm looking forward to read your comments, because you didn't lose your spark. You lost the structure that supported it. And when you rebuild your structure, your spark returns. Your momentum rises again. And your days feels like they belong to you again. So you need to put your momentum in motion by doing the self-audit. Start with that. Your spark is still here. You need to see it. Check the link in the description for the self-audit Midlife Momentum. Enjoy!